What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we're going to be looking at a wireless charger that I just got in. This is from the company TechSmarter. Let's check it out. So I already have this out of the box. This is exactly what you get. You get this wireless charging plate. You get your wall adapter. You get a multi-use USB Type-C, micro USB, USB-A charging adapter. And that's it. That's all that's in the box. Oh, you do get instructions. I will say that. Instructions right here. Now, you have a wireless charging pad on top. This is a fast charge device. Up top, wireless charging. On the bottom, you have nice rubber feet. It's going to hold it on your table. Right here on back, if you look closely, you get two extra chargers. This is where you're going to plug in your power adapter. This is your PD charger. It's going to actually charge your laptops and your larger devices, power delivery mode, SPD. You get another fast charger on the back that has USB-A fast charging capabilities. Now this is for your quick charge 3.0 as well as any 2.0 device. It's going to be able to charge a little bit faster than normal using this technology. Now the technology that they put into these devices is called TS Plus, and what TS Plus does is it allows your quick charge device to charge faster, and it allows any non-quick charge such as your 2.0 devices to charge at a faster rate than they would with the normal charging cable. Also with that PD, we talked about that a little bit, but you're going to get a quick charge on your laptop devices. Notice it goes up to 30 watts. So that's the fastest this charger will output, is about 30 watts. So now that we've talked about this a little bit, we're going to mention some of the safeties, because TechSmarter not only has put the faster charging in, they've also added what we call TurboGuard. Now what TurboGuard does is it avoids from overheating your device, overcharging your device. It provides all types of securities. So it won't hurt your cell phone battery. It's going to have foreign object detection, such as metal plates and pieces of metal or money or anything like that. And like I said, it's going to protect against overheating. So all these things have been regulated. Everything works out. Everything checks all the boxes. Since we've done that now, let's get this plugged up and let's test it out a little bit. So once we get this device plugged in and ready to go, you're going to get a green indicator light over here on your power adapter. First test we're going to do is charge a cell phone. Here we go. And let's lift this up. It is charging wirelessly. Remember, over here, we're going to get a fast charge on our 3.0 devices. Quick charge. Fast charging. There we go. For charging, I'm going to disconnect this. For this test, we're going to use my computer. Fast charge on the PD is always going to be USB to USB. Fast charge on a laptop is going to be USB Type-C to USB Type-C. I'm just going to plug this into the side. Got our sound. Now there are really no indicators that are going to tell you that you're getting a fast charge on your computer. But there we go. We are charging. You see the lightning bolt right up there. So it is able to charge up the laptop device as well. You just got to make sure you're plugged in USB Type-C to USB Type-C. So this has been the wireless charging station by TechSmarter. I'm going to be sure and leave a link below so you can go and check this out. But it's a cool little wireless charger up top, and you can also charge two more devices separately on the back. Fast charge through PD on your laptop devices. Fast charge through 3.0 as well as your 2.0 devices on USB right here. Hope this is able to help someone out. Give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.